Hey y'all, it's Lananh here, and I can't believe I'm already making this video again because as y'all can read by the title, I'm going to be packing up all my stuff from my apartment because I am moving into a new one. Sorry if you hear Maylee's tippy tappies. It's been kind of... Maylee, come on! Since my friend already moved out first, she gave me like her boxes. But yeah, as you can see, our living room is really empty. We just have some little things. Okay. Alright, so I think I'm going to do the closet first. I've accumulated a lot of clothes since I've moved here. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to put all my clothes in my luggages. I feel like I'm not gonna fit all my clothes like I did the first time that I packed to move, because I've been receiving clothes from brands, and then also I've just been buying a whole bunch of new clothes for myself. So we'll see how much I can actually put in my luggages. So at my new apartment, I don't have a walk-in closet anymore. I don't think I'm gonna be hanging my shorts up at my new apartment, so I'm just gonna take these down. My closet for my new apartment is so tiny, so I don't know how that's gonna work out, but we will see. Yeah, gonna keep this out so I can wear it. And then same with the shirt I just bought. Honestly, I tried to do a little closet clean out, but I didn't really get rid of much. I have so many pairs of denim shorts now. Like, I'm proud of myself because I used to just wear like Nike shorts all the time. But now that I go out a lot more, I am glad that I have plenty of denim short options. All my shorts fit on one side. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my skirts because I know for a fact they'll just fit on here too. Yeah, so as y'all can see, I don't own a lot of skirts. I literally have like maybe 4 pairs. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, okay. My backpack fell down with it, but it's fine. Alright, so now I'm gonna tackle like this little section of my shelves. I don't know how to take this out without making a huge mess. I shouldn't have done that. Oh no. Now I got this pile of clothes that I need to fold. Now gonna use my little carry-on luggage. Alright. Alright, so now I'm gonna do my jacket. Last big luggage. That is all of my luggage is packed. So now I'm finally gonna use the boxes. I gotta take these up. Get your carrot. Get your carrot. Alright. That's just way too long. Yeah. Where should we start, huh? Where should we start? Literally so winded from taping all these boxes up. But, oop. Just gonna leave my dresses here for now because I really don't want to put them in the cardboard boxes. Maylee! So I thought I could fit at least 3 or 4 in these boxes, but I could only fit 2. So I think I'm just gonna do my shoes for these. Maylee! Hey! No! And my battery's dying, so I gotta change that. But I'm gonna line this and then put the rest of my shoes that doesn't have boxes in here as well. Awesome job. High five. High five. Nice. She's not even helping, but okay. And then the top is pretty much empty. Maylee, hey. Maylee. Alright, so I think that's everything I'm gonna do in my closet right now. She's being bad, so. But I'm going to tackle this shelf, which has just the most random stuff you can think of. Remember this thing? Yeah, I never used it because she still was able to crawl under it. And I don't know if I'm gonna even like be able to use this for our new place. I feel like we don't need it. So I'm on to my last box and I haven't even done the kitchen or the bathroom. I still have like a whole lot of stuff that I need packed. So I think I'm gonna go buy more boxes. Okay, so I kind of swept my eyelashes off. My containers. Okay, so I just went ahead and took everything out so I didn't have to keep stepping up on the step stool. So this is kind of like everything. Now I have my freaking snacks and stuff. So yeah, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and take all of those out as well. And also my silverwares. Okay, so I don't know, it's just kind of stressing me out that I don't have any more boxes. I also want to go ahead and try to take all the picture frames and stuff down. So yeah, I'm just gonna go run to Home Depot real quick. Because I want to go ahead and take these down too. And take this down as well. And I'm kind of sad because I don't think I'm gonna do this whole setup thing in my new apartment. I just don't have space. Like, I don't think I even have space for her crate, but we will see. Alright, large boxes. Hopefully this is enough because I don't even know when boxes like became expensive, but okay. Anyway. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my blankets in there so I can put all these hangers in there. Oh, this makes me so sad. Wow, this is so dusty. Sis. Anyways, I'm gonna take this down now. I think I'm just gonna put those in the extra large box. Okay, I was honestly gonna take all these off the walls, but I think I'm gonna call it a night because the sun is setting and I'm just so tired. Like her, you know. So this is all I have packed so far. These are all the boxes that are full. And then I got some empty boxes left. And then I have this one in the kitchen as well. Good morning! It is the next day and we still have so much to pack. And where did I left off yesterday? So I'm gonna take all the nails off the walls. I love that. How do you do this? Oh, okay. That worked. So I'm just using a, I don't even know what this is called, but I'm just pulling it out and I'm gonna put it in a bag. Oh crap, that flew. This is literally like when I lost my earrings. Do not drop these things because Maylee will definitely try to eat it. I kind of want to do a box for Maylee now. So we're going to tackle the laundry room. I actually decided to get rid of these baskets. All her treats. She's about to be 6 months old. I'm so excited to do this. Gonna tackle the bathroom now. Maylee, get out! No! Wow, so empty. Alright, just finished the bathroom, so I'm pretty much done with everything except the kitchen. So I'm gonna start on that. But we got some like little stuff there too that I don't want to worry about yet. But this is what it's looking like. Oh god. So that means I'm kind of done. I'm trying to get rid of some things too, like those baskets. And then some pillows over here. So I think I'm gonna ask my friend and see if she wants them. If not, I'm just gonna go donate them because I also have like clothes and stuff too that I want to donate. So yeah, these are things that I really don't want or need. Oops, almost forgot to take this down. Look, Maylee, this is you. It's you. I decided to go ahead and put her toys in here. And I just left out like one toy for her. Ooh. my Google menu. Oh yeah, perfect. Gotta take this thing down. Okay, so I just cleared everything off the shelves. Mainly, I just woke her up. But yeah, I just kind of cleared some stuff off of my nightstand, and the kitchen is a whole mess, so we're gonna ignore that. And so now I'm going to tape up all the boxes. Just kind of spreaded the box out a little bit so it'll be easier for me to like go around and like write some things down so I know what's in these boxes, and then I'm gonna tape them up. All right, time to tape up these boxes. Everything is packed up. Alright, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. It's literally so hot and I'm like sweating. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. If you want to see your booty.